How to create an event on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to easily create any kind of event on Facebook. The event feature on Facebook allows you to create a dedicated landing page for the particular event. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your menu section, and here on the top of your screen you should see events right here, but if you don't see it you can tap on see more and you can find it down here. So once you get to your event section, tap on this plus icon at the top right corner. Now you will be landed on this event creation page where you have different options. So the first option is to pick a GIF or a background for your image. You can tap on gallery to choose from all of these inbuilt pictures, or you can even upload a picture from your phone's camera roll. Now on the event name, you can just enter the name of your event, and once you do that you can you can set your start date and time. So if you want to set this date to, let's say, right here, I'm just going to set it to this. And on the start time you can set your time to something like this and tap on set. Now once you tap on done, if you want to select if it is virtual or in person, you can do that. So if you want to create an virtual event, you just have to share any kind of external links, or you can even make it through Facebook Live. Or if you want to add it on person, you can just add any kind of location here. Once you do that, on who can see it, you can choose your event privacy. I'm just going to make it public so anyone can join. And if you have any additional details, you can add it on the details of your event. If you want to add co-hosts, you can add these persons from your friend list. And if you want to chat with guests, you can turn it on and create a WhatsApp group. And on additional settings, you will find the default settings to allow guests to post on the event. So you can set this to according to your need. So that's it on how you can create an event on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.